Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install dedicated software for Logitech MX Anywhere free. Let's begin! So first we have to go into our browser. For me it's the Chrome browser. Now we would probably want to search for something very simple, like let's say input the name of our mouse, just like I did here, and then add software. However, it wouldn't be a very good option. Now it might work for you, and though it is not free S, it's just S. And as you can see, it does lead us into a correct site, but I would advise you to just go and search for Logitech Options, just like that. And now I want to go into it and basically download the version we want. And this is because Logitech has like one software for customizing their mouse, and you don't really have to download some very specific Anywhere software. This will just be enough. So you hit download for Windows 10 or later, well, if you are on Windows 10. So now I will just go here, enable our installer. Now we have to wait for a moment. I will move it so you can see it clearly. We just hit this big install Logitech Options button. We can choose if you want to share analytics data or if we don't want to. If you care about your privacy, I would advise you to just go with no thanks. And now the Logitech Options are being installed on our device. So we have to wait for a moment and they should be installed. And now the installation is complete and we should see a similar window like this one. Now we have a warning that we have identified that you have an unifying receiver connected. Please connect to logiwebconnect.com to add and remove devices that use a unifying receiver. We can choose to don't show this message again, like ever again, or we can go and open Logiweb Connect or Logi, it depends on how you spell it. I'm guessing that this is, I'm sorry. I'm guessing this is because we are using a Bluetooth mice, like those Logitech here is just via Bluetooth, there is no cable or nothing else like that. So we can go and open Web Connect. We have to go and hit continue. We can once again deny that want to send diagnostic and anonymous data. So now we can go and select receiver. We only have one receiver, so it's probably this one. And now, as you can see, our MX Anywhere free is successfully connected to the logiwebconnect.com. And now it's everything we have to do. So we should be able to just click on it, or we can remove it, and we can select the receiver, we can add device. I don't think there is something much here. So we should be able to go back into our main application, the software called Logitech Options, and as you can see we can log in to back up our settings to the cloud. I don't think there is a way to skip it, so unfortunately enough we would have to log in into our Logitech account, but I don't really have one. So as you can see, we can just go back to our application, we can hit continue, and we have automatically the add form for our Anywhere free. So now I will hit next. We have the button for the shift mode. We have the horizontal scroll indeed. We can choose very specific things that depends on the type of application we are in. So currently it's the scroll list for open things. These are usually the redo and undo. In most of the application we can basically see every application here. As you can see, they have a very cool shortcuts. But now I will just go and continue to install. We can't really uninstall for any of these since we don't have these applications. You might want to install them, it totally depends on you. So I will go with install. Let's hit continue, and we are all set. We can go back to options, and here we have our whole options. So yeah, but for this video it's all. I've successfully showcased you how to install and how to skip the Logitech login screen. So that's all from this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.